What's the meaning of copybook? Copybook. Copybook.
Copybook. Copybook. The term copybook refers to a blank book or notebook which is used for copying written or printed material, such as exercises or handwriting practice. It is typically used in educational settings where students are taught penmanship and writing skills. The copybook serves as a tool for students to improve their penmanship, spelling, and grammar by copying passages from literature, textbooks, or other sources. Copybooks were popular in the past but have largely been replaced by digital tools like word processors and electronic devices.